Hi guys! So continuation, we're going to open now the phone. Just a bit exciting. A new phone. Yeah. As I previously mentioned for that phone, I like this type because I had it delivered from Samsung itself. Do not accept seal is broken. That's good. I hope it works well. So I think I just need to open this with this. I don't want to feel it exactly. So let me take my time to open it to build up the momentum. Yeah, it's still going. It's a bit tough. Okay, one down, so one more to go because both of them has a seal on it. By the way, the delivery driver was nice. So he actually texted me in advance, but I won't be getting home yet from work on that day. So I was able, I have a had that time to actually call him in advance that delivered a bit later in the day, like in the afternoon, which was great actually because if he arrived earlier, I won't have the phone. I won't be able to receive, so I need to wait another day. But they are quite fast because I ordered this on June 25. They already here after 2 days. Well, I'm in Metro Manila, so I think it's much faster here. Because what was given to me or what I read in terms and condition, it will take at least 4 to 5 days, so I would expect it the next month. But they arrive after 2 days, so much better if you get in contact and check also if it's already in delivery, so you can expect the call. Because if you're working, yeah, it would be a bit hassle. They have to re-deliver. Yeah, but it's all good. So I already have a pen, which is I have backup of, because like I mentioned on the previous video, I do stock a lot of this. Not only have phone, but I do have a lot because I wanted to stock. And then we'll open this one. I think this one has, oh, the cord, nice. This is a bit long because when I got this phone itself, their charger is a bit short like this one, but this charger is a bit long, so that's good. And I got this. It's nice. It's white, it's black. I hope it was black, but white is good enough. At least both of them is free, so you don't have to worry about like charging, because previous when I got this phone, they don't have really an adapter, so that was a hard time buying an adapter that would have fast charger. I'm glad Samsung improved on it, that but it is a previous and then they have a cable that's a bit longer, so that's good. Like it. It's rocked, so yeah. Then we'll open the phone itself, so get ready. So they do have a little itty. This is the holding, and this is the phone itself. So it is a bit compact than the one that I have, the 52s. So A52s, it's so the A, yeah, see? So I like this part. This part is actually sealed, and this part, so at least when it's tampered, this one is just a stick, a bell. So it is a bit heavier. The back is nice. I like it. Yeah, the rainbow color. See? It is showing. But I expected like a darker lilac color, but it's good because it has that rainbow thing. It's quite transparent. I did not expect it because my phone is not this sport, but it's good. It's sturdy. Yeah, it's a good improvement. Now this part is a bit scary. It's like it's scratch, but we do have this one that will wipe down in a bit, and well, this one. It is a bit heavy, but it does feel like a flagship phone. I don't really have any flagship phone, just by my research. I think so. It does feel like some folks that I know that has flagship phones. This is the phone that they. have that look like it. But as long as it is working properly, it's good for me. And with the price, it's good. So I'm just turning it on. So opening it now. I don't think it's charging yet. So let me try to charge it first. I want to see what's inside. So let's charge it a bit. Because it's not opening. But first things first, so they only have 3 cameras. Still the same. So they said this placement was not that good, but this is the current placement that I previously have in my phone, but this phone that I'm using right now. So they have the same placement on the upper portion of it, and same power button. It's a bit big, and I think compared to my phone, it's a bit big, almost big. Bigger than my phone. The screen is also a bit bigger, which is good. I do like a big screen on it, but it's just hard to hold when you were using it to bed. It's not bad. So let me check if I do have my charger set up, so I think I can charge it with it. Yeah. Don't mind the background. Yeah. Was too excited to do the unboxing videos for this phone, but it's not charging. Oh, it's charging. Yeah, I was worried about that. It's already charging, so we need to open this. Oh, it has 52 on it. I wonder why it's not opening. Don't think I'm not pressing hard enough the button. You do need to press it a little bit harder, so I'm just soft pressing it. Oops. Because that's what I did in my phone. Well, my phone is not that sturdy to begin with. Yeah, this is a bit sturdy. It's like that. My phone is not, which is good. This is opening since it's the setup page. Yeah, setup page. Usually, let's set it up. So let me pause it because it's already been 7 minutes, and then we'll do the setup page.